there, I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and today we're making Rockstar Ginger Coleslaw. Oh my goodness, this is not your mama's coleslaw. This is so good. It is loaded with all kinds of vegetables, and most importantly, it's loaded with herbs for your minerals. So let's get started and dive in, starting with really thinly sliced red cabbage. This is the secret. Red cabbage is so good for your hormones because it's part of the cruciferous family. And the crucifers, they just balance your hormones and make you feel really good. We're going to throw in some carrots. Carrots are fabulous for balancing your blood sugars. And then we're going to throw in some green onions. Pop those in. But here come the herbs. We have cilantro, about a quarter cup of cilantro. Throw in some parsley. Oh, so good for your immunity, so good for detoxification, and to make it really taste good and help with your digestion, we're going to throw in some mint. Delish. And now we're going to make the dressing. See how easy and fast this goes together? The dressing is, this is sesame oil, but I use toasted sesame oil just because, oops, you can't see that. There you go. It's so much better. And then I put a couple tablespoons of tamari. I couldn't eat soy sauce, and I was so bummed when I went gluten-free. And then I discovered fermented tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. So I highly recommend that for you. I'm going to throw some ginger in. Oh, so delicious. Ginger is amazing for all kinds of gut issues, for your digestion. And then we're going to throw in a little olive oil. Plop that in. And for those of you without candida, and you'll learn a lot about candida in many of my series. Candida loves sugar, so I wouldn't add this if you have candida. But if you don't, enjoy a little honey. Isn't this guy cute? I found this the other day, and I just loved it. I'm going to put about half a tablespoon of honey just to sweeten this up, and then I'm going to stir this and get it mixed really well and drizzle it over my Rockstar Ginger Cabbage Coleslaw. And really mix this well. And oh, see those colors? They are so, so beautiful. And the piece de resistance in this recipe are your tamari toasted pumpkin seeds. And I've given you a video for that and the recipe. So just plop these on, tamari toasted pumpkin seeds, to give it a lot of crunch, to give you the zinc you need for energy, to balance your hormones naturally. And that's it. It is so gorgeous. Check this out. How would you like to serve that recipe at your next dinner party? It is so delicious. I probably eat this 2 or 3 times a week. I recommend you have 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And more importantly, really energize your body to find the love inside of yourself to really get you healthy and happy in life. That's what I do for you. Click on over to my website to learn more. Subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you there. I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to balance your hormones, upgrade your energy, and love, love, love your life. Go love yourself. Bye-bye.